It's autumn in the Hudson Valley and time to go pumpkin picking. But who would have thought you could do your pumpkin picking at Bear Mountain? And there is a farmer's market here with raw bee pollen and some local sweets, kettle corn, and there is some barbecuing in this direction. So you really get not only the leaves, it's October 15th, autumn colors in New York, but you get the sweet scent of roasted corn. Here's some foliage for you. And it is a big day to be on the mountain, as it is Bear Mountain's Oktoberfest. And this year it is taking place over at the Anthony Wayne Recreation Area. And one of the things I did want to share with you is an easier hiking path here at Bear Mountain State Park. And that is around Hessian Lake. All of the hiking paths have different levels. Hiking up to Perkins Memorial Tower is listed as complicated. I did that today and it felt like I was on a Stairmaster the entire time. Well worth it because the views are amazing of the Hudson Valley. And speaking of the Hudson Valley, this kind of has a connection. It was a Hessian that had their head blown off in Sleepy Hollow by a cannon. And that is the story of the Headless Horseman. But this here is Rockland County. And this path goes around what is known as Hessian Lake. Hessian are the soldiers that came here to show their support. And this is the easy path. As you can see, this is quite easy. And then it loops around in the mountain area. You can even do some paddling. And that is a quick view of autumn in the Hudson Valley. Till next time, from New York, loves fall.